Hello, teacher.
What's your name?
My name is Simon.
Good, Simon. Tell me, how old are you?
I am Simon.
7, huh? Good. Tell me, what color do you like?
I black.
Black. Good. Tell me, how are you today? I'm
I am happy.
happy. Good. Are you ready for the test?
Yes.
Give me a high five. Okay, let's go. Tell me about her, Simon.
Happy.
Good.
Sad.
Sad.
Angry.
Angry.
Tired.
Tired.
Sleepy.
Sleepy.
Scared.
Scared.
Hungry.
Hungry.
Thirsty.
Thirsty.
Sick.
Sick.
Cold. Hot.
Hot.
Cold.
Cold. Very good. Simon, tell me about you, my friend. Are you hungry? Yes or no?
No.
No, I'm not.
Not.
Good. Are you sad?
No, I'm not.
Are you angry?
No, I'm not.
Are you happy?
Yes, I am.
Very good. Give me a high five. Goodbye, Simon.
Goodbye, teacher.